Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and in this lesson we're going to go over general settings of the indicator. So right-click anywhere on the chart, click on Indicator List, then click on Trend Profiteer End, and then Edit, or just double-click. Click on the Inputs tab. Now we've gone over already trend settings, trading style, higher time frames, swing settings, Sunday trading, display arrows. Now we'll just cover general settings. It's right at the end, and it's very basic. We've got use alert. It's a master switch, if you like, set to false if you don't want any alerts of trades from the indicator, or set it to true for alerts to be issued. So I normally have it on false if I have the trade assistant working at the same time. Spacing multi, just leave it on 1 unless you want to change it. This is for the indicator arrows, how far they are away from the bar chart or candlesticks if you've got it on as default. So if you want to move it a little bit further away, then just change it to say 2 or 3. It's really quite sensitive, so 2 or 3 should do it. I leave it on 1, but if you are having issues and the arrows are too close, you feel to the trading chart, then you can move them further away. And this max bars, this will it's on default as 2,500, but if you're finding that your platform is running fairly slowly, then you can change that to say 500. In other words, this will display arrows for historical trades that have happened in the past for the last 500 bars. If you're still having problems or issues, then change it to say 250. It doesn't matter what number it is, but the lower it is, the less intensive the processing required for the indicator. So 2,500 is the default, but just drop it down to 1,000 or 500 or less if you are having issues. If you set this to 0, then it's going to display arrows for trend trades and swing trades if that's how your settings have been adjusted for all of time, as far back as it goes. The issue with that is it's super intensive on the processing, so it'll slow down the performance of your system. So I've got it set at 2,500 default, just so you can look back, and that's a good enough time. But if you want to increase it, you could increase it to say 5,000 if say 0 just freezes up your platform or really slows it down. But you might want to look further back, maybe just out of curiosity or something. Then you can increase that max bars to a value that's going to allow you look back further in time. And again, if you are having issues with the performance, then drop it down to 250, because after all, you're really only interested in trades that are coming up, not trades that have been that have been executed in the past. So that's it. That concludes this lesson. And until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.